There are certain progressions you would have to learn as a beginner if you want to sound very African. For instance, in the key of F, this is your 1, this is your 7, this is your 6, this is your 5, this is your 4, this is your 3, this is your 2, and then resolve to 1. So, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. That is it. Then you learn this progression. Do, ti, la, re, do, fi, so, do, mi, re, mi, fa, mi, re, so, do. In a typical Ghanaian song that will go with this progression is this. NYANKOPON eniwu yarecheche funyame fawabasano to Yesu shiraye nadenina. Very simple, right? NYANKOPON eniwu yarecheche funyame fawabasa to Yesu shiraye dadenina. Again, NYANKOPON eniwu yarecheche funyame fawabasano to Yesu shiraye dadenina. Very simple, right? So fawabasano to Yesu shiraye dadenina. 176 2 1 2 major 2 dominant 7th, then 5, then 1 3 2 3 4 3 2 5 5 1. That's it. NYANKOPON eniwu yarecheche funyame fawabasano to Yesu shiraye dadenina. I'm Spratz, Eliso.